Ooh, you let the smoke out.
We may have brought the wrong truck. Look at that, you're stuck.
Yeah.
Alrighty, I'm gonna leave Tom and Landon and Jace here to work on the old Ford Galaxy. I'm gonna run to Cedar City and do a recovery in the Tacoma. It shouldn't be too hard, I don't need their help, and they're gonna need all of them to make this old car run. I'm out of here, I'll leave them to get this car done. I'll go get a recovery done, so away we go. Fuel the Tacoma up. It's still muddy from these guys' last recovery, so.
It sounds like somebody hit the top of the truck with a hammer. Pretty much.
Probably not even gonna wash it till I get back.
We are out of here. We're all fueled up, seatbelt on. We'll head for Cedar. We got a 45-minute ride, and then we'll go assess this situation and see what we gotta do. We got a dirty window. All right, away we go. We are close, just rolling into Cedar City. We got this thing giving us directions to get there. We just got to go through Cedar, hit Highway 56. It's stuck. This thing that we're going to get is buried in pretty good in the clay, like an old dry pond that's not dry right now. So we'll see how this all pans out. I hope I don't wish I had brought the tow truck here in a minute. Hopefully the old Yankum's just gonna give her all she needs and it'll come out of there, so we'll find out.
Okay, my Galaxy. I'm gonna see if I can get it to run. I'm not gonna drive it because it's got no brakes because the master cylinder's bad on it. I'm gonna let the old rollback warm up and we're gonna go get it. Okay, we've made it to the cars. Look at her, 55 Ford Galaxy 500 with a 3 on the tree. She's a little iffy inside. That's because the 2 passenger windows were broke out of it at some point. So we'll get her loaded up and we'll haul her down to the shop, see if we can't get her to run. Let's go check on the other side, see if she's clearing or hitting. Oh yeah, she'll look good. We'll pull forward a little bit, get her straightened up, and we'll be good. And just like that, that's how you get a car straight. Perfect. She ain't moving. I need you guys' help because I don't know exactly where to look for these parts for this car. If you have any 65 Ford Galaxy parts, I'll take it. I'll even take the whole car if you have it. Let's get her back to the shop and see if she'll run. I'm excited. Well, we're back at the shop and we'll get this thing unloaded and see if it'll start. We need some tires on this car to make our lives way easier pushing it around. So I'm gonna run down to the cars real fast. Jay says he knows where some wheels are that will fit it, but we're gonna run down there and grab some tires for it. These are them right there. We'll load those up in the old burb and we'll take them back, throw them on the car.
Oh, work?
Yeah, it's probably good.
It's good. Clunk of junk's in the shop.
Need some sort of battery cable.
Oh yeah, that should do it. All your fuel is just gone. I know. I wasn't planning on running enough fuel. I just wanted to hear this thing run.
Well, we can let the clutch out while it's up on the hoist and see if everything moves.
I bet it will. Okay, there's that.
You'll hook it from that one to that one? It looks like it's pulling, because hook it back up again.
Yeah, it moves the wires.
And the voltage on this drops. I mean, we can.
Can you hook it straight to the starter?
I wonder which one this one. Click that one. Nope. I'm not a Ford guy, can you tell? Click that one.
There we go. Got the right one. Need a bigger jump pack. Oh.
Ooh, you let the smoke out.
What just happened?
I don't know. So that put power to your coil or to your points. So it may cook
May have just cooked the points.
points out of it.
Smells crazy.
Yeah, so that right there is dead now. So
You need a new distributor.
distributor's probably fine, but
Just the points.
that little capacitor that's in there,
Yeah.
it's it's full of water too. So
Yeah, you probably
Wasn't
should have
happy
cleaned
about
that
that.
out.
So I'm sure it didn't do that condenser any good, but I don't think it killed it. Where I hooked the hot line up to, it was the downstream side from the points. This is the field that should be dropping. And it wasn't. Chased some wires down, got everything hooked up to the right spot now. We know it cranks, but
Ready?
yeah.
There's the fuel.
It cranks over.
What's up, Scout?
I hear no poppage.
Does it have spark?
Let's get the Sparkulator 5000 and see. Jace, you watch the sparkle.
What's it gonna do? Light up?
Should flash light in.
I don't see anything either.
We don't even know whether the coil was any good to start with.
Yeah.
So
Freaking get that thing coming off.
yeah, if you twist her off there, I'll hold it over here because I hate getting bit by a freaking coil. Makes me feel like weird all the rest of the day. You can give me this. You can hook that back to your curl.
Shouldn't you be able just to stick that sucker in there and? Yeah, that should work.
I saw sparkage. It wasn't a great deal. So we just may need some more battery voltage. I think Jace might be. Whoop. Jace might be right.
Alright, the old Onyx is telling me I got 3.9 miles to a left turn. Should find him at the end of that. I wonder if this guy was hunting or just sightseeing. Took a wrong turn. I'm tired. I haven't even done anything yet today and I'm tired. I can see him. Oh, missed it. Missed the road. Let's go back and see. It's looking like it. We may have brought the wrong truck. Yeah, this should be exciting. Looks like he was waterfowl hunting, ducks or something. I will get him out pretty easy.
It's a quality ground wire.
Quality, nothing but the best.
You want me to just throw this on top of it too?
Yeah, probably wouldn't hurt it.
Who's gonna man the throttle?
I'm looking to see if I can see the float bowl fill
Can we check
hole.
the oil before we start doing this?
Probably be a good idea. I thought maybe you'd done that already.
I thought you'd done that already. If it had no oil in
I
it?
did, but I can't remember.
I mean,
what
it
was
kind of
at.
sounded like it was pretty rattly right there.
Well, the valve
Yeah, it
train.
needs some oil.
The valve train hasn't had any oil in like
It's at
20
the,
years.
It's below the low mark.
it
What's
has
some-
some in it though, right?
Put some
It has
1030
some.
in it. Is that how you fill those?
Yep.
Maybe from,
289 cubic inches of Ford Fury.
They got a lot of room in these little engine bays.
Yeah, this was a big old car for a little motor.
Well, are we ready? Send it. Yeah, more fuel. Come on, oh girl.
Oh, she runs.
It
I
runs.
rattled that out.
Runs great.
We don't know whether she's got oil pressure or anything. So the problem is it's electric, and we don't have any keys, so I don't know where the back feed is for the indashulator stuff. Smokes like a 2-bit cigar.
Oh yeah. Shot a bunch of stuff out of the exhaust.
But it does run.
It did run.
You can grab the boat tank, hook up to it, and see if it carburetes.
Yeah, where is the boat tank?
Looks like you found some mud.
Yeah, a little bit.
Little bit.
The funny thing is I was here last night. Sunset.
Yeah.
So it was hot all day, you know.
Yeah.
And I parked right here and went to go scout some birds and I was able to get right out. This morning I came to the same spot.
Look at that. You're stuck.
Yeah.
Down on all fours right there. Well, you find any birds?
There were a bunch of birds. I didn't get any though.
Nothing, huh?
No.
All right, well, this shouldn't be too terrible. We should be able to get you right out of here. Worst part's just getting mud on everything.
Yeah, no,
So,
exactly.
I'll just turn it around. We'll hook on and tug you out of here.
Okay.
Should be fairly simple-ish, I think. Game plan's made. Let's see if we can do it. We're slick. Let's go test the Yankum.
Yeah, I found a bunch of planks. I tried everything I could.
Yeah.
I just kept going down, so I was like, I better stop before it get worse. And
The more you work at it, the worse it gets.
yeah, I know. I was able to manage to go forward about 3 feet, and then I was trying to put some boards to back up over it, and went further when I went forward. If I got some birds, it would have been worth it. But...
Yeah. So basically, just put her in reverse.
Okay.
Start spinning a little. I'll hit the end of it. We'll come out. Don't run into me.
All right.
Pretty easy. All right. Here we go. That wasn't bad. No, that wasn't too terrible. I was hoping I didn't need the tow truck.
Yeah.
Okay, well, get turned around. We'll make sure you get out of there. That wasn't terrible. Got him pulled out of there. The old Yankum did its job. Tugged him right out. Oh.
Thank you, Sarah. You're a lifesaver.
Yep, no problem. Have a good one.
You too.
That was slick. He was really stuck, but kinetic ropes do wonders, man. A little truck like this can pull a full-size truck out that's buried. No sweat. Just bump the end of it and stay going. We'll head back to the shop and go back to work.
Does it got gas in it?
Yeah, it does have fuel in it.
Even better.
Let's see if she's pumping. Crack that line off the top up there and see if her fuel pumping ain't. Does she pump or do we just pressure it? I don't see any
Just
pumping.
pressure. Unless we're hooked up backwards.
I don't think so. We can find out though. Give her a crank. Oh, she's sucking.
Okay.
Not a whole lot, but
It's sucking.
it is sucking.
Look at that. She got fuel. She purrs like a kitten.
Oh, she sounds nice.
See if the clutch works. Go inside and see if the clutch works. It might kill it, so you gotta give it some gas a little. Or that'll kill it.
I don't think the accelerator pump works.
Look at that.
Clutch even works.
There's forward. Can you give it gas when you just do it, or let it stick? Something doesn't sound healthy under there. We gotta lift. I think your drive line might be bent. I don't know if it has enough fuel pressure to run it. Well, it runs.
It does run.
I just want to go do a burnout on this thing.
Let me take that out of your way.
There we go.
Well, let's see if she does throttle returning things. Well, that looks like throttle returning things. You want to see if you can throttle it?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
It might work.
The accelerator pump. Oh, it's got some weird rattles out here.
Here, let me down just a little bit.
This is a bad idea.
There.
That one touch?
Rev it up and dump it. Oh, it's that side. I missed it. Do it one more time, Jay. Oh, it stinks so bad. Oh. This thing smells terrible. Alright, that's done. I'm moving away from here. It's like, oh, it's radiating like
Hey, at least it runs.
garbage.
Well, this has been a successful day because we got my 65 Galaxy to run, and it actually will attempt to do a burnout.
Last time registered in 1973.
Yeah, 1973 was
So this
when
car was only
last registered.
10 years old when they threw it away, or
When
7.
they stopped registering it, yes.
I'm excited. I got a lot of more plans coming up with this car. I'm looking for a lot of parts. I need
He needs a new car that has all the things that he needs off of it.
basically interior and 2 passenger windows.
So if you have another 65
Okay, well-
Galaxy,
We'll keep this, and we'll put something new underneath.
Okay.
It's
I'd
gonna
say
get
some bucket seats from Temu.
That honestly would be
Temu
pretty
race
cool.
seats.
That would be pretty cool.
That's what Old Blue's getting.
Thanks for watching.